Welcome to the future of technology, where AI, digital marketing, and advanced tech are revolutionizing the way we communicate. Meet ChatGPT, an AI language model that can understand human language and respond with relevant information. ChatGPT can be used for digital marketing too, automating customer service and engagement. You can create chatbots that answer queries, recommend products, and even generate leads. But ChatGPT is just the tip of the iceberg. From machine learning to quantum computing, there's no limit to what we can achieve with advanced technologies. Stay ahead of the game and shape the future of technology. Explore ChatGPT, AI, digital marketing, and advanced technology with the tags and keywords in the description. Subscribe for more exciting content on the future of technology. If you're passionate about leveraging the latest technologies to stay ahead of the game, let's connect on Twitter and explore how we can use AI and data analytics to revolutionize the trading industry. Don't miss out on the opportunity to join the conversation and unlock new possibilities. Hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on the latest trends, and follow me to join the community. Even with Amazon's recent announcement about Web3 and NFTs, the future is looking bright and full of opportunities. Let's use the power of AI to make the most of it. See you in the next video.